Hey lovely people, welcome back to Princess TV. If this is your first time here, you're warmly welcome, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. So if you're watching my video for the very first time, may I introduce myself to you? I'm Quincy and I make videos on natural hair, how to maintain a smooth growing natural hair. So if you are interested in contents like that, please give this video a thumbs up, click on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will be the first to get notified. And also, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, and please let's get going. Today I will be showing you guys how to make this creamy light butter using fenugreek seed and black seed. Fenugreek seed is packed with antioxidants that are very good in nourishing the scalp as well as promoting growth. And you also have black seed is magical. I have a video on my channel that tells you how to make black seed oil. You can also check that out. And today I'm going to show you guys how to make fenugreek and black seed butter, hair butter. So guys, you will love this. Stick around and see how this was done. So the first ingredient on the list is shea butter. Shea butter is very good moisturizer. It also promotes hair growth and also adds moisture and shine to your hair. I bought this shea butter from Amazon, and I will try as much as possible to drop the link of the Amazon order in the comment section. In the description section below. Please endeavor to check the description section, because there was this say that at the end of the tunnel comes the light, because many of us actually ignore reading the description. It's very important because that's where most of the information to a video is found. So please endeavor to check the description if you want to know where I got this stuff. Next is coconut oil. Coconut oil has several benefits for your hair and scalp. Incorporating this in your leave-in treatments such as your butter, such as your leave-in conditioners, will help to seal in the moisture in your hair. Also prevents dry, flaky scalp, also prevents dandruff, as well as promoting hair growth, and also prevents split ends and hair breakage. So now put your coconut oil and shea butter in a bowl. Now you put on the bath of water. So put it on the bath of warm water. So beneath is a pot of warm water, and then above you have the bowl that contains your shea butter and your coconut oil. So it has to stay there till it's completely melted as seen here. So now you get your mixture of fenugreek seeds and black seed, and then just get like 2 tablespoons of that, and then now 1/4 cup of olive oil. So you just mix fenugreek seeds and black seeds and then get 2 tablespoons of that, and then you have to fry that. That's where you get that. It gets like an infused oil. Then you now get a little bit of coconut oil as well. So it's kind of been infused. So you are infusing this. You can as well blend the both and then fry. And as well you can do this. So it's up to you. If you want a lighter version of the butter, you do it this way. If you blend, you get a kind of darker cream. And you can also check I have a video that tells you how to make the fenugreek hair butter. It was much darker. You can also check that out. So in that video I blended the fenugreek and I added some matcha powder and I think moringa as well. So you can check that out. But if you want a lighter butter, you just need to fry the seeds and then you let it stay overnight. I let mine stay for 3 days. I was in no hurry. I was not in a rush. So you can let that stay overnight so that it's completely infused, and then you just sieve it out like what I'm doing right now to separate the seeds from the oil. So here we have infused fenugreek black seed oil. You now add it to the melted coconut shea butter oil. The next step is very important. Seal the top of the bowl and place in the refrigerator. This is very important. You just want the liquid to coagulate. it just has to be a little bit soft like this, not too hard. So you have to monitor it while it's in the fridge, so it becomes this solid, and then you can easily blend it to have this creamy texture. This consistency is exactly what you need for your button. So guys, how amazing is this? This is so creamy, this is so white. It depends on the color you want. It depends also the intense smell and all that, because beware, fenugreek also has this intense smell. When you don't blend it, you reduce the rate at which it smells, but when you fry as I did, the smell is not that intense. So it's up to you, choose. With this method you have lesser smell and lighter color. If you blend, you have more smell, so an intense smell and a darker color. Either way, they are all beneficial for hair growth, moisture, and sealing in the moisture in your hair. So I love this end product, and I have two containers here with me where I'm going to transfer my cream the rain. So guys, I hope you love this video. If you find this interesting, if you find this educative, if you find this really good, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel Quintus TV, click on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a video you'll be the first to get notified, and I'll be happy to see you around again next time. And also don't forget 6 drops of tea tree oil. I didn't mention that. I'm sure you saw that I already placed that. Don't forget 6 drops of tea tree oil. So all right, I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.